Hi, 1.5 years ago, we performed a SMART FUE technique. 2,000 grafts were put inside the area of male pattern hair loss level 3. Let's have a look now. This is the hairline. This irregularity, and this area is the form. Dense packing. On the right side, frontal temple angle. This is the grafted hair has grown right angle, right direction, and good density. This area already been filled up. This is the left frontal temple angle. Looks very natural, and the density is more or less same as existing hair behind, and the light is unable to go through now.
Hi, I'm Desmond. I'm 26 this year. The reason I choose GLOJAS is because I realized a significant of hair loss myself, and it's not it's a family thing. It's a genetic thing. So my brother has it also. So my brother came to GLOJAS first, and I saw a very good result from him. That's where I instantly believed in GLOJAS. As for the result, I see it significantly grow on the hair growth. I'm very satisfied with it, and it also gives me a very high boost of self-esteem and also confidence. The staff are very friendly, and also the doctors are very professional. So thank you, GLOJAS.